Hello, welcome once again. This is Lecture 8, Module 2, JP212 Advanced Radio Broadcasting. In this lecture, we proceed with our discussion on the elements of radio script. Your instructor is me, Musa Senyemba, from the Department of Arts and Media Studies at the University of Dodoma. So let us continue with the station ID. Station ID is just an identity of your radio station. You remember when we were discussing about jingle, we said that you can create jingle for your station ID. Of course, what is the difference between the jingle and station ID in this context of station ID? The jingle, which is a station ID, has only the name of that particular radio station and frequency. But the station ID as a station ID is just a stand-alone station ID, which can only be played alone. But here, the jingle, you cannot play it alone, but you play it during music program or the other program as a background. So as you can see, this is longer than this one. And also this has the program content. This doesn't have the program content. It has name and frequency only. Here you see program content, name of that particular radio station, and frequency. So we can see from the example here.
Chaneli yako mpya inakwenda kubadilisha namna unavyoangalia televisheni. Ipate sasa ndani ya Azam TV chaneli namba 413. Burudika na tamthilia za moto, movie kali na reality show za kusisimua ndani ya Zamaradi TV, lifestyle and entertainment.
So now you can see that this is Zamaradi TV station ID. Of course, this is television, but it's not different from what it can be done in radio. So you see the name Zamaradi TV. You see how it can be found. The name of that. The number of that particular station, as well as the content of that particular station. Let us see another one here.
Advocate of responsible journalism is Y107.1 FM, broadcasting in the city of Maramag and heard all over the world through Y107.1radio.com, a member of the KBP, the best radio on air, Air Radio FM. Streaming live around the world, serving the people with emotions, entertainment, and information across the globe. Non-stop playing of the latest hits and the greatest memories of the radio. Only here on Y107.1 Air Radio FM. Your family and friend, your life and your music on air. Always your number one, your favorite Air Radio FM.
Those are the examples of station ID. So thank you so much for watching. You as a producer or program manager, you can create a station ID of your own radio program. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.